This is a video on how to install the Adder 2.0 upgrade kit. First I'll remove the magazine. I'm going to take off the limbs by pushing this in here. Using an arrow. Set the old limbs aside. Remove the stock here. Same style pin. Okay, so we need to remove these screws here. Okay, and we also need to take out this screw. It's the larger Allen key. Just push that out. Okay. Unlock this, and this bit should come all the way out. Set that aside, and then to remove this next piece, spread these apart just a little bit. And then this is all going to come out and be replaced by the reinforced version of the same thing. Okay. So I guess we'll start with that front pin. Actually, we need to put this in here first. Okay, there's that little track that there's some wings on the trigger that go into that. Okay. Now I need to align this front bit. Okay, looking good. Set this in here. Got my finger holding that nut on the other side. Okay, now let's go to the grip. Grips in place. There's two of these screws. They all look similar except for these ones are a bit shorter. And the shorter ones go in the front. These longer ones go in the back. All right, I'm ready for the new limb set. 180 pounds. Make sure this pin is all the way out. And let's do the magazine next. Remove this. Stock. And we're good to go.